All the footage here I've gotten of Wildcats Revenge is permitted to use. You can see them actively working on the wave turn. You can even hear the sounds too. There's the guys there. This structure is absolutely massive. It is such a beautiful day. This view I have here is absolutely phenomenal. So it looks like they have both pieces up on the wave turn. That's the 0G stall there. It looks absolutely amazing. There's the airtime hill that they've been constructing. It is a little bit windy, but in the underflow you can actually see some of the structure of Wildcats Revenge that they've used to build this one. This is the first time I've actually seen this in person. It is absolutely phenomenal, and it's massive. It's just massive. You can see the guy up there. I'm pretty sure they're putting in the steel cross ties. You can see the track coming down on the other side of the wave turn. I'm pretty sure this is completed because the last update I did, they had one piece of track coming down on the wave turn, but if you look closely, you can see how the two tracks are there. And behind the wave turn, you can actually see the station with the roof there. It looks like that's been completed. It is starting to get a little windy, so I'm not sure how the audio is on this. We have a beautiful view of that 0G stall there. And there's the world's largest underflip. To actually stand right by this it's insane. And here you can see the lift truss. That, all I can say is the progress of this is absolutely amazing. You can actively hear them working on this ride. This is an actual live update, so you can see the crane there. I'm pretty sure they put more on the lift truss there. Giving you guys some video footage of what the ride looks like up close. It is so cool to actually be here and listen to them actively working on this ride. Since this update was a little different, I'll finish out like I normally do. Thank you guys for coming back to watch and supporting the channel of Wildcats Revenge construction update brought to you by T. Rose Bunny's Adventures. And make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss any more updates on this absolutely amazing structure.